Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and a warm welcome back to issue 115 or stage 115 of building the Ecto-1. It's been a while since I've been able to do any of this. This is one of the missing packs which has turned up. So, yes, I now am in possession of all of the Ecto-1 kit parts. So, I'll be able to get back and get it all finished. Today, I am doing this part, which is the deck lights and windshield wipers. Yes, first of all, we need the lights. I've got the lights, which I've unplugged, L and E. We need to assemble these lights. Now, these are all the same. So basically, we've just got the bulb goes through that end and into there, like so. It says bend that down, so we'll bend that in that direction. And then that will go into there. And those two pins will locate into those two holes. Probably don't have to bend it down that much because it's got to come out that hole, isn't it? And actually, I'm going to have that the other way up because this has got a nice little rough bit there. So I'd rather have that hidden at the bottom rather than the top, although I'm pretty sure all of this is going to be hidden anyway. So let's get that together like that and do the same with the other bulb piece. So again, I'll check to see which side that's got the roughy bit. So let's put that at the bottom. And that will just go together like that. So we've got that one completed. Let's do the other two here on the slightly shorter version. But as I say, these parts are all the same, so it doesn't actually matter which one goes with which is quite nice. As opposed to the windscreen wipers, which do have a chirality about them, but there's nothing to actually say which one's which on most of the parts there, so that's a bit of a pain. Although that is not going in there quite as nicely. There we go. Just I think it was quite lined up properly. That's that, and the last one we'll get through there as well. Again, that's the rough edge. Put that at the bottom. So there we go. That is our lights. The deck lights, apparently. Very nearly assembled, if I can get that in there properly. Why is it always the last one that's a pain? Right, I shall work on that in a moment. Let's get the windscreen wipers assembled. I'm pretty sure I've got these the right way around. That just pops into there. Does have a flat side to get that the right way round. In there. And then that goes onto there like that. And that is held in place with a tiny screw. One for each of them, so I might as well get both of them out. I shall grab my tiny screwdriver, which isn't over there. Doesn't seem to be over there either. Right, let me see if I can do it with this. If not, I shall come back when I've found a smaller screwdriver. So that goes onto there. And the screw goes in from the top side of that. Yeah, I think that's going to work just fine. So that goes through there. No problem. And then this does exactly the same, but pointing in a different direction. So that bit goes on there. That goes across there, and again the screw comes in from the top. And there we have it. Okay, for the next bit, I need to bring in the body of the car. These are fitted with 2 screws, one each, and they are also fitted with a screw each. So I'm going to need 6 of these. 2, 4, 6. And I need the whole body of the car, which is going to be a pain. I'll get some of it fitted beforehand and show you what it looks like when they're all done, and will I fit the last couple. Okay, so these bulbs fit on there just like that, and they're held in place with a screw through the back there. If I don't drop it. Try that again. Single screw through there, which will hold that in place, and the wire at the moment just hangs loose over the top. So there we have that one. I'll tighten that up and fit the other one in a moment. I've also done the 2 on the front and fitted the windscreen wipers, which I shall just turn this beast around and show you that. So yeah, there we go. We've got the 2 sitting on the front there. The wire just comes across to there for now. I'm assuming it's got to go into the car at somewhere, but can't tell you where that would be. Probably under this panel. But yeah, the windscreen wipers are fitted in place on there as well. And that's it. Apart from tightening up the screws and getting these attached, another episode done. Nice to be back on it again. So I shall see you for more next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.